Hi everyone, today I am going to read out loud an article named 15 Years of Rubik Cube Level 3. In 1974, Hungarian professor Eno Rubik invented a cube to help his students understand three-dimensional space. Soon, it became a global sensation. By the late of 1970s, Rubik had patented his Rubik cubes, which become famous, uh, which which become famous for its challenging puzzle and the interactions it requires between mind and hands. The classic pre plus pre Rubik's cube has an outstanding outstanding 43 quintillions possible combination, making it highly competitive as people aim to solve it faster and faster. The world record currently stands at just over 3 seconds, achieved by Max Park. The Rubik Cube continues to appeal to enthusiasts and is widely used to develop problem solving skills, offering an engaging hand-on alternative to screen-based activities. It has sold hundreds of millions of unique worldwide and remains on many people's bucket lists to solve. Enzo Rubik believes the cube will remain popular and impressive for at least the next 15 years. Thank you for listening.